to Gardening for Health and Wellbeing. So today we're going to be making some minced garlic. Now this garlic I didn't grow myself, I actually bought it at the shop. It was a pretty good price, so I just wanted to get some, and I'm just going to mince it up and then show you how I'm going to preserve it all. There's 1 kilo's worth of garlic here, so we'll see how much we get, and I'll show you how I'm going to preserve it. So there's 2 ways that I'm thinking about preserving it. One is I'm going to freeze the garlic that I've minced into like little puck type things on just like a greaseproof paper, and then I will put that into the freezer, let it all freeze, and then take those once they're frozen and put them into Ziploc bags, and then I will just leave them in the freezer until we need them for our cooking. And the second one is I am going to put a little bit into some jars that I have with just a tiny little bit of oil to help preserve them in the fridge for a little bit longer. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. We're just going to make a little bit of noise now. So here we go. And here I'm just going to fill up these trays with the garlic pucks, and then we'll put them into the freezer, and then I go on to the jars. So I'm back, and I'm just started to fill up my jars with the minced garlic. And this is the second jar that I've been able to do. I'm hoping to get a third. Now one or 2 of these jars I might gift to people, just because I don't know if we're going to use it quick enough. But I'll make sure that I put today's date on it so they know that that's when I process these, and that they'll only have a small window to use it within their cooking. And then I ended up with 14 things of garlic. I haven't put them into the freezer yet, but I will once I've filled these jars up. Look at that. Perfect. I might just have enough to fill this all the way to the top. Either that, or I might try and make another puck. So as you can see, we've got our 2 trays with the garlic pucks that I'm calling them. I ended up with 14 of those. Is it 14? 6, 10, no, 15 of them. 15 pucks that'll be frozen in the freezer for later use. And I got 3 full jars, and that was 1 kilo worth of garlic. So these 3 will go into the fridge, and we will use one of them over the next couple of weeks. The other 2 I might need to gift to friends, because I don't think they'll last in the fridge. I'll have to do a little bit more research, but if they won't stay in the fridge for any longer than like a couple of weeks or so, I might have to yeah, gift them to some friends and family. But that's all there is for today. I will come back and I will put these garlic pucks into a freezer bag once they are frozen. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so here's the garlic pucks. I'm just going to transfer them now to the plastic bags. I'm probably going to put 5 in each, considering I've done 15. And yeah, we'll go from there. So they've froze really well. Nice size. This is the first time I've actually done this, so yeah, it almost looks like mashed potato in a way, but it's minced garlic that I just did in my what do you call this? The Magic Bullet blender, and yeah, I did about 4 or 5 rounds, I think it was, in the blender to get this many garlic pucks, and then I also did 3 jars that I've put in the fridge. If we don't use the 1 jar like over the next week or so, I might give away the other couple. I think I've already mentioned that prior. But yeah, so these 3 bags will just go into the freezer once I'm done, and we'll use it whenever we do our cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye.